You are tasked with processing advertising data to support both AI model serving and historical analytical reporting. The pipeline must be capable of detecting and cleaning outliers and long-tail data points in a near real-time fashion before the data is consumed by AI models. Which Google Cloud service should be used to accomplish this requirement? Option A. Utilize cloud storage for storage, implement custom shell scripts for transformation, and define BigQuery views for analytics.
Option B. Use Dataflow to perform programmatic outlier and long-tail data cleansing, using BigQuery as the final data destination. Option C. Rely on BigQuery to ingest, transform, and analyze the data, generating views for AI model consumption. Option D. Employ Cloud Composer to coordinate the detection of outliers and generate a sanitized dataset for BigQuery loading.
This question deals with building a robust data pipeline that serves two distinct needs: providing clean, near real-time data for machine learning models and storing historical data for analytics. You need to think about which Google Cloud services can handle streaming transformations, clean statistical anomalies like outliers, and integrate seamlessly with a data warehouse for long-term reporting.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. Dataflow is the optimal choice for this scenario because it provides a fully managed, scalable service for both streaming and batch data processing using Apache Beam. It excels at performing programmatic, complex data transformations in near real time, such as identifying long-tail distributions and statistical outliers, which are essential for cleaning data before it feeds into AI models.
BigQuery acts as an efficient sink for historical analytics. Regarding the other options, Option A uses shell scripts, which lack the scalability and managed infrastructure required for production data pipelines. Option C relies primarily on BigQuery for transformations, which is better suited for post-ingestion analytics than near real-time pre-processing. Finally, Option D uses Cloud Composer, which is an orchestration tool for managing workflows, rather than a data processing engine itself.